Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Owner Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today I will be preparing for you easy Tako Namasu. Place the sugar, rice wine vinegar, and salt in a zip-top bag. Close the bag and shake well until the sugar and salt completely dissolve. Add in the ginger, tako, daikon, cucumber, and carrot. Purge the air from the bag and chill for 6 to 8 hours in the refrigerator. Drain the liquid from the bag and enjoy the namasu as a side dish for a Japanese New Year celebration. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.